Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on division of rational algebraic expressions. Example number 1. 81ab cubed over 36y divided by 27a squared b squared over 12ay. Now in here, we'll just follow the rules in dividing fractions. So we're going to have this one as 81 ab cubed over 36y. Then we're going to proceed to multiplication and have the reciprocal of the divisor. So the reciprocal of this one will be 12ay over 27a squared b squared. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to cancel out the terms that can be cancelled or can be simplified. So in here, 36 and 12, these are divisible by 12. So 36 divided by 12 will be 3. Then 12 divided by 12 is 1. 81 and 27 are divisible by 27. So 81 divided by 27 is 3. 27 divided by 27 is 1. Then have here y over y. This will become 1. Then a, this is 1. A squared here will be a. Then you have here a and a. This will become 1. Then in here we have 3. Cancel. Cancel. And b cubed, this will become b here. And b squared will be, this will become 1. So our answer here will be 1 times 1 times b times 1. That will be b over, this is 1 times 1 times 1, b over 1, or simply b. Then number 2, 2x plus 2y over x squared plus xy divided by 4 over x. So we're going to proceed to multiplication. 2x plus 2y over x squared plus xy times the reciprocal x over 4. Then you can factor these terms here, the numerator and denominator. We can have that one as, in here common is 2. So 2 times the quantity of x plus y over, common here is x times the quantity of x plus y. Then this is times x over 4. Then in here you can cancel out the terms. So 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. And you can have here x plus y divided by x plus y. This will become 1. And also here x and x. So our final answer will be 1 times 1 times 1. That will be 1 over, this is 1 here, times 2. It will be 2. So our answer here is 1/2. Number 3. X squared plus 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 1. So this will be equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 3. Then proceed to multiplication and have the reciprocal of this one. So this is x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 1. And in here, we can cancel out x squared plus 2x plus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator. So this is equivalent to 1. Then factor out x squared minus 1. That will be x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 1 Then in here, this is, if we're going to factor x squared plus 4x plus 3, that will be x plus 3 as a quantity of x plus 1. Then cancel out the terms. So our answer here will be x minus 1 over x plus 3.